Hey guys, I got something for you. Got a new project. Last Saturday, so it's Saturday now. So last week, my buddy and I, we went and I bought a boat. We went down to Virginia and bought a boat. Look at this. So the reason why I bought this thing is I just kind of want a new project and want to learn some fiberglass work. So my idea for this boat is I'm going to make this into a bow fishing boat. So I'm going to put like a railing right here. That's like yay haul. It's gonna be a flush deck. It's gonna be a flush deck. So I'm gonna get rid of this and this. I'm gonna rebuild all this stuff. It's gonna be a flush deck with like a railing on the side here, where I'll have my lights. It's gonna be like kind of like a fans, like an airboat setup kind of a deal. And I'm going to move this console here. I'm gonna get rid of this and rebuild this. I'm gonna get rid of this and rebuild this here. I'm gonna bring this out like right here and bring the console like higher, so like I can like stand kind of a deal. Stand slash sit when I'm driving. But yeah, this is part one, I guess, huh? Of the introductory of building the most epic bow fishing boat ever. No, it's not gonna be that, but my plan is I'm gonna put a trolling motor on it. We'll get rid of that. I'm gonna put a trolling motor on it and a kicker. So the reason behind that is right now my boat, I only go 3.5 miles an hour, and like when I get into waves, it's just terrible. I'm facing waves. It's like 1.5 miles, 2. I feel like a kicker would be really good for when we're not seeing much fish and there's not many rocks or stumps around to go looking for fish, and like stingrays and like ocean or big water fish kind of a deal. You can go chase them down faster and cover more water, but then still have the trolling motor where like if I'm in, what would be a good example? Like just normal fishing, and I can use the trolling motor, or if I'm like in a little small canal in Florida, or if I'm in a really big area where it's really a lot of stumps and logs and stuff, rocks, I can use the trolling motor just to like scoot around. But yeah, and then another idea, so I'm gonna put like a pulling platform right here, and that's going to be for like a generator, with my generator up there, and then I'm gonna be able to hang a hammock. So I'm gonna put something right over here where I can like put a metal tube or whatever, where I can hang a hammock from the pulling platform to that, so that I can take two of us can go travel around. One sleep in the boat, one sleep in the back of the truck. Or if I'm tired, I can lay in the hammock, or if I want to sleep in the boat on the water. But yeah, and then it's gonna be a wash down station, like my boat now. All the compartments are gonna be waterproof. What else? Better drainage systems, better lights, better like electrical system, stuff like that. But yeah, look at this, guys. Isn't this awesome? So I probably should tell you what it is. It's a JVX. Carolina Skiff JVX 18. And the reason why I went with this model instead of like the DLV or whatever it is, DVL, is the DVLs are more of a square nose. And this one here has a little bit of a V to it. And the DVLs are like wider, and they're heavier boats. And I kind of want to be minimal on the weight. This boat is heavier than my other boat, but this old girl here, she'll handle it. She'll handle it. And then I got galvanized trailer, and the trailer has brand new fenders and leaf springs. So yeah. And then one cool thing, my boss was telling me a few weeks ago. I thought it was cool. I didn't realize this boat had it. But the tongue on it, this right here piece is longer than my other trailer, which so I can back into like back into the waters, I get a boat landing, and not get my truck all full of water, like salt water, fresh water, whatever it is. So I thought that was kind of cool. The only downside to that is right now I'm with my other boat. I'm sticking out a little bit on like Walmart parking lots, so I take up 2 parking spots. Now I'll probably take up like 5 to park the horizontal. But yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wrap up this video, and I'll start making like part 1, part 2, part 3. So today this will be the next video. I'm going to rewire my trailer, not the whole thing, but like put new lights on it. It's a 5-plug instead of a 4-plug. My truck's a 4-plug, so I'm gonna put a new plug up in the front there, up here. And then what else am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna tear out these here, these poles, take these off, and I'm gonna tear this out, and tear this out, and the 2 seats. So that is what's gonna happen next video. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be fun. So I work at a fiberglass shop, and my boss and my coworkers said they would help me build this thing out. So there's gonna be a lot of learning going on, and a lot of really cool stuff. So yeah, stick around, guys. It's gonna be fun. Thanks.